have an Android or Apple?
So now we gotta put the tail straight. Oh, this guy.
Alicia, I hope you're recording.
He's very lively.
Recording, bro.
Why is he moving so much? Stop moving.
We're just gonna dump that in that pot, right?
So you gotta go down here. Usually you go from here. Ready? And at this point, it should be dead, just to make sure they go straight down. It's gonna keep moving because it's alive. It's not alive, but just as a reflex, and it's completely dead now. Okay? It's just muscle memory. Okay. And at this point, we take it and put it in our broth.
Okay.
We're gonna blanch it for like 2-3 minutes. Okay?
Wait, you need to take that thing off the cloth.
You don't want to. Mix it together. Okay. All right, come look at the pot. See now, about 2 minutes. Let it blanch nicely. See the aromatics. Get them off. We got some chocolate. Still alive.
Why are you? I can't.
We're blanching it now, so we're gonna put it in the ice water. Okay. So now it's still not cooked all the way, but at this point we're gonna fabricate it. We're gonna take apart the claws for different parts for pasta, this and that, and then we're gonna cook it the rest of the way. I'll show you how we're going to cut off the tail, but we're gonna let it chop. All right. And then we'll come back to it. Now it's your turn to murder.
Oh.
Back of the seventh
In the middle of
pot
it.
right here, and then all the way down like this as hard as you can. So that's your strong hand, your dominant hand, the right one. So go down like this, and push it down, or just use it straight. It's not that hard, so it's pretty soft. Go down hard, and then all the way down. Okay. Alright, so hold it tight here. Hold on, wait. So it's not slipping. Okay. Thank you, my friend, for giving your life for our cuisine.
Oh my god.
Okay, remember, right down there, straight down, all the way through. Ready?
Yeah.
Now go over, drop it down. Drop the knife all the way through the head. Okay, good, it's dead. Okay?
It's brain.
Completely dead.
Oh my god.
Okay, no pain, no nothing. Right now, throw it into the nice flavored broth. Okay, show everybody how limp it is now. Look, the tail will be limp. You see, it's not, you see?
Oh
It's
wow.
not blood, it doesn't bleed. Relax, you see how it's all limp? Okay, now put them in the aromatics. You tell everybody how many minutes.
All right, 2 to 3 minutes,
Why didn't you just try it?
and then we're gonna ice shock it.
Yep.
Can I say? Go. Ooh, his brain. We're gonna shock it.
Shock it, man.
This is cool. It's like one of those like YouTube videos where they're like with the black gloves and they're just like ASMR.
Now you take these off, not before. Because this thing, it may look small, but this is, you know how much force this thing has in it?
Yeah.
Alright, so now we're going to take these apart. Like obviously the tail you just twist off. Okay, pull it apart. You leave it here. These we could actually roll out, okay? And you pull off the claws. And there's meat in all of this here. We're not going to just like take the claw meat. My favorite part, the best part is right here, the knuckle is very sweet. Okay? This I'm going to save to make soup. Plus you see the brain and the liver right there. People love that part right here. This part right here is full of flavor and fat.
Awesome.
But it's good. We're not going to waste that. Okay, we'll save them here. You can use it for garnish and everything else. All right, now, let us clean. Now for the lobster tail, everybody goes crazy for the lobster tail. So you got to go like this. And you take a scissor or shears and you cut the sides. And you go all the way down to the end here and turn around. Watch your fingers. Okay, it still has a lot of rigor mortis that will make it curl back, so carefully watch your fingers. I used to do this all the time. I used to work in this place called the Lobster Club on the Upper East Side. So this all the time. Now pull it off the shell, and you'll see that nice flesh come right out. That's that tail right there. Now there'll be caca here, okay? Probably, see? Well, this one's pretty clean, but you want to do with the scissor. Don't take the knife in your hand, okay? Use the shears or the scissor, cut through here, almost like a giant shrimp, and I want to see if there's any caca, okay? We'll dip it in a little hot water here, just to make sure it's clean. Now this is our meat here. This is our tail meat we're gonna use for like the prime stuff. You can see how it's not cooked all the way. We're gonna cook it all the way when we saute it, or we're gonna do it for our crab rangoon. So that's that. Or a lot of people like to put it this way, and then you stuff it with stuff and broil it. That's a popular way of doing it if you've seen it in restaurants, okay? Now this one, you could have like one of those nutcracker things, or you could just take a towel and kind of break it apart like this. You want to try to keep the claw whole. So that claw meat is very nice right there. Okay. Even. Okay. Just pull it out like that. And then you got the claw meat. Some of it may be stuck on. Just clip it right off. Okay. So there's the claw meat right there with the pincer on it still. Okay. And now this is garbage here. Just clear up my station. And like I said, there's still a lot of meat right here. All right, we're gonna cut through here and get that knuckle. Where is everything? Okay, right here. This piece is so small, but it's the sweetest piece right here. Look at that. That's perfect meat right here. Okay. So that's that part. So we got our knuckle here, that, and the tail. And we're doing the same thing with that. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed our lobster fabrication lesson. Thank you very much.